So, um, my teachers told me that um, I lost points because my primary key was not the first field in each table. Priority rating does not belong in the bridging table, which makes sense. It's a bridging table. But I put priority rating, this here, this column here. I put this in the projects table, and she said it doesn't belong in the projects table. Yeah, see my trash, I don't care. So, I was wondering if anyone can explain to me why priority rating doesn't belong in the projects table. I understand why it doesn't belong in the bridging table because it's a bridging table. It's bridging to, it's bridging two tables. So, there's my employees, okay. I hope you guys can see that. This is my bridging table. I have hourly rate in there as well because she said hourly rate doesn't belong in the employees table. I don't know why does hourly rate not belong in the employees table. It's information that is directly connected to the employees. But I took it out because she said that it doesn't belong there. I had priority rating in the projects table. And that was because the priority rating is dependent on the title of the project and the code. It's not dependent on the department. You see, for instance, the IT department is in all three systems: the pension system, the salary systems, and the HR system. And they have different priority ratings, even though they're the same department. So priority rating can't go in the department's table because of how I have it. I'm not sure if you can see that, but each department is only mentioned once, which each department number mentioned only once. If I add a priority rating to the department's table, it would have duplicate information. I would have to add more ITs. I'd have to add 2 more IT fields and an additional database field to add in the priority ratings that exist for those particular projects. I hope you guys can hear me. So I can't put it in a department's table. I can't put it in the employees table. I mean, I could. But priority rating isn't dependent on the employee. It's dependent on the project. So, she says, okay, for point deduction, PK should be the first field of each table. Priority rating does not belong in the bridging table, and that makes this table not 3NF, which is Eliminate transitive dependencies while still in 2NF. Each project has a priority rating. Each employee project does not have a priority rating. Notice this exactly duplicates between records with project code and project rating. Yeah, that's why I put priority rating in the projects table. The projects table should not have two IDs, project code and project ID. Which yeah, I didn't delete the entire table when I did it. I just edited the current table, but I now see that I'm probably going to have to drop the entire table, the entire database, and then recreate it from scratch all over again. Because of that, your projects table is not in 3NF. And then I was half asleep when I was doing the thing with the freaking, she wants us to, different project mastery, project. Okay, screenshots and select and describe screenshot looks good. Tip, since you're dropping that database and recreating it fresh, there's not a reason for your code to redo the previous errors and correct them. That's because your development decision to the database. If the database was already being used, you need to alter command. So if anyone can give me some advice, because I'm pretty sure she's not going to give me a lot of information. I have a really good feeling she's not going to tell me anything that I need to actually know. She's probably going to say, well, it's a mastery assessment, so we can't really help you directly. So why, can anyone just explain to me why priority rating doesn't belong in the projects table? Because my first attempt, let me see, and I didn't mean to, yeah, here it goes. Also take a look at the data. You'll see unnecessary duplicates. Rate does not belong in the projects table. Why? Why does priority rating not belong in the projects table when it duplicates alongside project code and it's obviously congruent with project code? Why would you not put project priority rating with the projects table? And I have a feeling she's not going to answer that question. So if anyone can give me any advice, I'd greatly appreciate it. Thank you.